Welcome to 2026. I do not say Happy New Year, so please do not say Happy New Year to me. But then again, you might ask, why is this so? Well, like you know, I practice Ordinala, Igbo spirituality, and over on this side, we operate with the nature's calendar. Hence, we have one more moon to go, which would lead us into our new year sometime in the middle of February. Yes, that's when you can now say to me officially, Happy New Year. Well, then you might ask, how is it so? Well, that's because on this side, we operate the 4 days system, which is the Eke Ori Afo Nkwo, which represents the four elements of the universe: fire, water, earth, air. And these four market days, as represented, make up 1 week, and seven of these weeks make up 1 month, making it 13 months, making up 1 year. So, yes, we have 13 moons. Also, in case you need to know, our new day does not start at 12 a.m. as your Gregorian calendar puts it. Rather, our new day starts at 6 p.m. of every day. So, every 6 p.m., we enter into a new day and we enjoy the beauty of the universe and of nature as it comes to us at every given time. I hope this information has been useful to you and you will make good use of it sometime in your life. May the peace be with you. Namaste.